I hate the fact that these glasses are basically very similar to a vape. Battery is done. You just whoop, garbage. And that's sad. Everyone knows they are quite expensive, about like $400. We already know what are the benefits of having larger battery, mainly because that's the only upgrade in the newer glasses. Maybe also software locked 3K recording, sure. What I like to say is that I understand battery dies, but I hate to know that company that makes them, they don't care about replacing your battery. All they want you to do is either boop, throw it into garbage or buy new ones. And let's put aside the fact that they actually watching most of the videos that you record with these glasses somewhere on the other side of the world. Yeah, the privacy, typical meta. But the battery, oh my goodness. But we already learned that things break literally when the warranty expires. And guess what? Exactly after a year, everyone's glass is dying now. And what you can do? Replace it yourself. You can replace it yourself, because Meta is not gonna help you. They're not gonna do it. They really want you to get new pair and pay again $400. But what you can do? Go to China. Ask AliExpress, what do they think about it? Oh, they think they can sell you battery for $6 plus shipping, so $14 total. And you can do it yourself. And instead of using them as a beautiful doorstop, you can just use them on your head again and be happy. And that's what I love. You can see, obviously the LED is not working on a case, it's not gonna work on the glasses. If I take them off, they die after a couple of seconds, telling me, I actually forgot what they are saying, something about recharge them or and they dead. And yeah, if I put them to the case, then they start working and playing music like a Bluetooth speaker. So let's use some magic. I'm gonna also use this camera over there, and I'm gonna switch to it right now. Here are the Ray-Bans. They've been through a lot, but that doesn't mean I'm going to stop. No, it only makes me stronger. Let's try to do it, and I'm not going to use any heat. I'm just going to use this small thing. I'm going to start from the top. So just like this, just to break the glue, I'm gonna slice it. And again, I'm doing this for the first time, so if I break the glasses more, then yeah, it's on me. Plus, I'm not sure if I'm even gonna break them because they already not turning on. So if in any case, I'm just gonna repair them and give them new life. Because again, Meta doesn't want to do that at all. I just realized using scalpel, it's probably good in this portion. But for the rest, I can use regular like a guitar pick or something else. So let's try that. I have something like this. I'm not gonna go for the guitar pick. It's in a different room, but this should be enough. And so, all I'm gonna do is put my nail in between, and here's the pick. And now I'm gonna just go around. Oh, it's actually so much easier than I was expecting. Okay, let's go. Let's go around. Around the world, oh, around the... Yeah, it's so easy. Yeah, it's so simple, wow. It is really simple. All right, maybe you can see, but the plastic over there detached. And the good thing about replacement of battery is that you don't have to unscrew anything. You just take off the plastic cover and replace the battery. At least this is how I understand. And we will find out very soon. Here, if I go like this, and you can look inside, there's literally nothing inside. The processor is not over, it's basically empty space. And maybe, just maybe some antenna. but I'm not sure about that too. Okay, so I'm stuck just a little bit on this part. Just to let you know, here's kind of stubborn glue, at least for me. Everywhere else was very easy, and here is a little bit harder, but again, not a big deal. I probably can do it very fast and without really worrying too much. I just have to be careful, that's it. I also, again, don't want to break them, but just by being too fast, it's pointless, right? All I have to do is just wiggle it out, and it's done. So here's the connector, here is the connector on the battery, and I just have to plug it in like a little Lego, basically. Yes, I put the battery into the enclosure. It looks perfect. Literally cannot look better than that. So indeed, we had proof right now for a split second that yes, I connected the battery quite well. We can hear the music right now. It just stopped too. So yes, I connected all the parts, everything quite well. So it's working indeed. Unfortunately, that's my theory, what's happening. It's not about the battery, and it never was about the battery itself. Obviously, it's not the greatest right now. It degraded too, but it was never about the battery. I feel like it's more about the Ray-Bans themselves and the company that is stopping me from using them until I buy a new one. Why do I think that way? It's mainly because right now they, like you see, don't want to play music. They don't. If I will try to take a picture, oh, I cannot even take a picture right now. I cannot hold it. The music, yeah, I press play, nothing's happening. In a moment, maybe they're gonna start playing. I have no idea. They might, but I'm gonna pause it regardless. And let's see. I'm on 95% of battery, so I'm on full battery. They know they're on full battery, but they don't know they are not on this battery. So they're trying to tell me that you can't use them, the battery is dead. But they don't know they are on new battery, so they're trying to stop playing music. They don't want to pick up the phone call. They don't want to take a picture or video because they think the battery is bad. So they think they should not work right now. But they work, but they don't want to work at the same time because it's the time for a replacement. What kind of replacement? Possibly going to the mall and buying a new pair. That's the replacement. Yeah.
My job is to make things shitty. The official title is Enshittificator. What I do is I take things that are perfectly fine and I make them worse. More specifically, I make it shitty.
I'm so grateful for companies like this one. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. The glasses are probably still useless, even though I have perfect battery right there. Yeah. Thank you for watching again, and see you in another one. I hope you will have better time with your pair than I have with mine. Oh, they just stopped. Okay, thank you for watching. Yes, see you in another one. Bye bye. Something just happened that nobody would ever believe. Except maybe everyone? Everybody ever? I did an update of the glasses. And I can see 74% glasses, case 85%, but what else happened? Speakers aren't working. Wow, what a coincidence, right? I just proved you a couple of minutes ago that, yeah, speakers are in fact working. No more. Thank you, Meta. You really outdid yourself again. Wow. So let me tell you real quick about this terrific news, why that's going to be my last pair of Meta Ray-Bans. There are a couple of reasons. One of these reasons is that I love to own products that I purchase, and I would love to fix things that I own. Sounds pretty simple, right? I hate to own something with knowledge that the thing that I own is disposable, and that's kind of what's happening with vapes. You can see this one. I purchased this one for review on my YouTube channel. Here's another one. I purchased like 5 of them, I believe, mainly because the display is detachable. It's like an iPod, and it's actually like an AirTag, so I can put it wherever I'd like, and it tracks. And here's the battery. It's working for like 2 weeks or something like that, so it's amazing AirTag, and it's like a charging station. But regardless, it's a vape after all. When it's done, you do boom to the garbage. That's it. And I hate the fact that these glasses are basically very similar to a vape. Battery is done, you just whoop, garbage. And that's sad. And that's not the only problem, because like you can see, the major problem is that they're not allowing me to own them. I tried. Obviously, there are many issues with these glasses, so many. But this one, it's not even a hardware issue. That's software issue. That is basically not even an issue. It's something they did on purpose. So you feel like you should get new pair because this one is broken, which certainly is not broken. Okay, I took them out of the bin, but the point is that I can't depend on something that can break so easily. Let's say the battery, and the company is not going to help me. In fact, they're gonna go out of their way to break it even more and release software update exactly the one when I replace the battery and I decide to do it, and then the update is breaking the speakers magically, boom, like that. So even though I really feel like this is the best thing I purchased in a long time, for a long time, unfortunately now it's one of the worst because Meta.